Majlis Khuddam al conducts a Vakarima program nearly in every country at New Year's Eve. To be involved in society and to be an active part of Swiss society is very important for the Khuddam al Switzerland and has a great tradition with this Jamaat. For almost 15 years, the youth organization has also been helping to clean the city of Zurich at New Year's Eve. The young people collect glass bottles together with the waste and recycling management of Zurich, which is also known as ERZ. The program started Alhamdulillah on New Year's Eve at 10 p.m. in the Mahmud Mosque under the guidance of National Amir Sahib, missionary in charge Switzerland, and Sadr Majlis Khuddam al Switzerland. After the recitation of the Holy Quran with translation and the pledge of Majlis Khuddam al missionary in charge Sahib gave a short speech pointing out to the Khuddam what the purpose of this action was. He told the participants that all activities should be for the sake of Allah and not for other purposes. If we always keep the goal in mind, we will be prepared inshallah for the challenges. Afterwards, National Amir Sahib led the dua and the groups were divided. The participants were welcomed by ERZ at the meeting point and the tasks were distributed. Before starting the work, all participants were equipped with yellow Majlis Khuddam al Switzerland vests and gloves. The working area was divided into 4 zones and the group was ready to work after the fireworks. The groups worked hard until 2:30 at night and could finish earlier than expected. Over 100,000 festival visitors from Switzerland and abroad attend the big New Year's Eve party every year at the Zurich Lakeside Promenade and marvel at the opulent fireworks in the sky. What began in 1988 as a small New Year's Eve party on the Vegetables Bridge in Zurich is now a permanent fixture in the Zurich calendar of events. A special challenge for ERZ in the cleaning process after this major event, the youth organization of the Ahmadiyya Muslim movement has been actively supporting ERZ for almost 15 years in cleaning the festival grounds on New Year's Eve. This engagement is on a voluntary basis. In the morning, the Tahajjud prayer took place, followed by a presentation and the Fajr prayer. The participants left in the morning after the traditional breakfast. All participants did a very good job and 15 Khuddams and 6 Ansar participated. Alhamdulillah. May Allah give us effort and the strength to improve our work in the future. Amin. MTA Studios, Switzerland.